Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to share Google Photos album. You have to start by open Google Photos application and of course click on the profile icon and make sure that you use your correct account. After that, go to Collections and to the Albums. Select the album what you want to share. I have already album to share, so let's do this. Click on it, and now you may have at the top button shared with link, so you can click at this button, or you can click at the share icon at the left bottom. Now you can share by link or to people. You can also use some application to share it. It's up to you. Let's say I want to share it with link. So I click get link, and then we can pass this link to the person what you want to share this album. Once you this person accepted, open the link, you will see, so did I have some album? Yeah, and right here you will see the button, not share link, but you will see some person here. So you'll see your account and account with this person. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.